Hi, my name is Nicole Corrales, and today I want to talk about the most significant challenge I faced, which was in fact growing up in a home whose primary language was not English but rather Czech. At a very early age, my mother, who is from the Czech Republic, decided to immerse my brother and I in the Czech language, and this proved to be beneficial up until we enrolled into the Gwinnett County Public School System here in Georgia. And upon entering kindergarten, we quickly realized that we had to attend ESOL classes, and so a lot of my recesses were sacrificed in order to attend these ESOL classes and to practice how to read and write in English, which after a few years, I overcame adversity, and now as a senior at the University of Georgia, I actually volunteer with students in the Athens-Clarke County school system and volunteer with students who are in ESOL programs and help those whose primary languages were Spanish instead of English, and help them understand that foreign language is something to be proud of and not something to be ashamed of. In fact, it should be encouraged, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity to do so.